Hey fellow crafters, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into our 3 favorite samples from the brand new September through December mini catalog. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned stamper, we've got something for everyone. We'll be showing you a project that's super simple, one that's a bit more involved, and one that's a real showstopper. Let's jump in. First up, we have our easiest project, perfect for beginners or quick and easy Christmas cards. This card uses minimal supplies but still looks stunning. It's a great way to dip your toes into stamping without feeling overwhelmed. Next, we're stepping it up a notch. This card introduces a few more techniques. Think layering, die cuts, and a little heat embossing. It's a fun way to stretch your skills and explore what's possible with just a few extra tools. And finally, our most advanced sample, a true labor of love. This one's for the crafters who want a little extra wow. With intricate details, die cuts, and even some blending masks, this project is sure to impress. hope you loved this peek into the September mini catalog as much as we did. Whether you're crafting for fun, for friends, or for your business, these projects are sure to spark your creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite project in the comments below. And as always, stay crafty.